Hello everyone, welcome to Byju's Exam Prep and I am Vipin Kumar. Now in this Sunday Ka Funda video, we are going to understand how VCRS works, how Vapor Compression Refrigeration System. So first of all, we are going to understand that in theory, and then we'll go to a workshop and we'll try to understand each and every component there. Okay, chalo. So what are the four main components in the VCRS cycle? The first one is evaporator. First one is evaporator. Second one is compressor. Third one is condenser. Fourth one is expansion valve. These are four main components that we are going to see later in our workshop. Okay. Now let's understand the working. So see, this is a compressor inlet. This is the compressor inlet. What is coming in? Low pressure vapor refrigerant. Low pressure vapor refrigerant is coming in. Low pressure vapor refrigerant is coming in. It is going to compressor, and compress is going to compress it to higher pressure. So what is going out? High pressure and temperature vapor refrigerant. High pressure and temperature vapor refrigerant. Now condenser you have entering is high pressure temperature vapor. What do you want? You want liquid. So you send it to condenser. Condenser comes out high pressure and temperature liquid. And liquid you want to send in the evaporator. So it have to pass through a expansion valve. Expansion valve is a very thin tube. We are going to see later. Very thin tube. Capillary tube, in which it will be converted to low pressure and temperature liquid. Most of it is liquid, little bit of vapor. And then it again goes to evaporator, where it absorbs heat. It absorbs heat to produce refrigerating effect. So four main component: evaporator, compressor, condenser, expansion valve. From the evaporator, the refrigerant absorbs heat and converts into vapor. This vapor goes to compressor. Compressor compresses to high pressure and temperature. Then it goes to condenser. Convert it to high pressure temperature liquid. And then expansion valve. So by using these combination of 3-4 components, we can cool ice space. How do we cool? We cool like our domestic refrigerator. So let us go quickly to our workshop and see where are these four components in your domestic refrigerator and how do they work. Chalo, let's go there. I will see you there. Hello everyone, I am Vipin Kumar. Welcome to Byju's Exam Prep. Now in this Sunday Ka Funda video, we are going to understand how a vapor compression refrigeration system works. So how many components are there in vapor compression refrigeration system? It is one evaporator, then it goes to compressor, then condenser, then expansion valve. So what is the best way to understand VCRS cycle? A domestic refrigerator. हमारे सबके घर में domestic refrigerator होता है, तो this is the best way to understand a VCRS cycle. So let's try to understand what is VCRS cycle and let's see what are the four components in this. So whenever you open the fridge, in the top you have evaporator. ये जो freezer है, this freezer is evaporator. Okay, so in this evaporator, mixture of liquid and vapor comes in from expansion valve, and it absorbs heat that is generated inside the fridge, and it converts into vapor. Now from vapor, where does it go? It go to compressor. Where is compressor in your fridge? So let us see where is compressor. So this is your compressor. You see this in the bottom of the fridge there is compressor, this black box. Now this compressor is going to compress the vapor and send to condenser. Now how is it going? You see this pipe. this is condenser. So this condenser, there is a ring here, you know, coil, that coil you can't see here, but there is a coil, and that is condenser. So heat is going out, it is rejecting heat to convert vapor, the high pressure vapor from the condenser to high pressure liquid. Now you see this pipe is coming, this small, I don't know if you can see this, but there is this small, this thing. Now I think you can see. Now this is your expansion valve. It is coming out from condenser, and then you see very thin pipe is coming. So it is to decrease the pressure and temperature. It is to decrease the pressure and temperature to the evaporator. Okay, so this expansion valve is going to reduce the pressure and temperature of the refrigerant from the condenser pressure to the evaporator pressure. And what comes out of this? What comes out? Most of the refrigerant is liquid, but a little bit of vapor. And then it is going to go to evaporator, where again it is going to absorb heat and it is going to convert into vapor. So same cycle continues, So this is basically the concept of a VCRS cycle. What do we have? Evaporator, then it, you see it is coming in condenser from the evaporator. You see this inlet, this is coming in, this inlet is coming in compressor. Then you see this is going out, this white pipe to condenser, and then it is going to the expansion valve, and expansion valve to again evaporator. Got it?